middle high school.
And this is our journey to Fermano's Foods.
Our culture sets us apart because of the founding principles from J.W. and Emma Furman, practicing biblical principles, providing great tasting, exceptional food, providing exceptional service, and progressing continuously. We have a culture that supports our business. Part of the values also are to be kind, be honest, be diligent, and be unified. And those are things that keep us together and all working together in the same goal. And then our products. We are the largest supplier of canned beans and pouch beans in the United States. Not only that, our products are so good that they're shipped as far away as Australia. We do some unique things. All of our products in the bean pouch line and the canned bean line are X-rayed. So we have an X-ray that looks for the potential of foreign material.
What product do you sell most of?
The largest product we sell is black beans and chickpeas.
What's your favorite part of this job?
The favorite part of this job is you learn something new every day, and also you get satisfaction knowing that you're feeding people in the United States.
Tell me about your role here at Fermano's.
My role here is quality and food safety and also in sales, so I have to make sure that the food is safe for human consumption.
Okay, I'm the illustrious, fun-filled, happy to be around P. Matthew McLean. I work here as a super floater for Fermano Foods for the past nearly 8 years and enjoy what I do.
What makes Fermano's unique?
The uniqueness about Fermano's, I would say, would be the customer relation they have with their customers, because they do go the extra mile, whether it's the way we pack things or when we need to ship things there on time. And the fact that it's a smaller American-made company that's selling an American product with hardworking American individuals that isn't always the way things are nowadays. So